As the golden hour bathes the plains, the lion surveys his territory, the wind carrying the scent of prey. Bathed in the golden light of the late afternoon, the lioness executes the perfect stealth posture. The scent of weakness hangs heavy in the air. This solitary wildebeest, the lion tenses, its powerful claws digging deep into the parched earth, ready to launch into a sprint.
In a dramatic climax, the lion makes its move. In a stunning display of power, the male lion reaches the apex of his leap, muscles taut, eyes fixed firmly on his prey. In a sudden burst of speed, the pride male asserts dominance. The struggle is fierce, but brief.
The king of the savannah pauses after the hunt, his heavy breaths a stark reminder of the...
After a long patrol, the male lion must regain his strength. Every breath is crucial in this unforgiving landscape. In the fading light of the golden hour, the lionesses move cautiously, recognizing the authority of the pride's dominant male.
As the sun dips below the horizon, the king of the savannah surveys his kingdom.
With the setting sun, the lion begins his hunt, his gaze fixed on the unsuspecting herds.
Crouched low, the great cat begins the final approach. The success of the pride rests on this moment of silent precision.
The Bengal tiger, a master of camouflage, uses the dense jungle to stalk its prey. Here,
as the dawn breaks over the dense jungle, the elusive Indonesian tiger begins its silent patrol.
hidden within the dense foliage, the tiger utilizes the low light to its advantage, preparing for the hunt.
The Bengal tiger, a master of stealth, moves silently through the dense undergrowth, every muscle tensed for the kill.
Deep within the jungle, a tigress stalks her prey, using the dappled shadows for cover.
Every muscle tense, the tiger focuses intently, aware that the slightest sound could mean the difference between a meal and a missed opportunity.
The jungle holds its breath as the tiger locks eyes on its unsuspecting prey. The dramatic standoff begins.
The tiger sinks even lower, its muscles coiled. The slightest twitch of the tail reveals the building anticipation before the pounce.
In the dense jungle, the leopard embodies patience. It knows the slightest sound could mean the difference between a meal and starvation. Hidden in the dense cover, the tiger prepares its sudden, explosive ambush, a life or death moment in the rainforest. In a sudden burst of speed, the tiger closes the gap. This is the climax of the hunt, a brutal display of nature's raw power. With explosive speed, the apex predator secures its prize, a vital catch in the harsh Alaskan wilderness. As the sun sets, the elusive Indo-Chinese tiger patrols its shrinking domain, a powerful shadow in the dense undergrowth. As the sun sets, The elusive Indo-Chinese tiger patrols its shrinking domain, a powerful shadow in the dense undergrowth.
As the leader of the pack, the alpha wolf must remain vigilant, especially during the harsh winter months.
The clan moves strategically through the dense woodland, utilizing the long shadows of dawn for cover as they begin their patrol.
With their attention locked, the pack prepares to move. For the elk grazing in the mist, time is running out.
Once a wolf commits to the chase, there is no turning back. They are the ultimate endurance predators of the North.
The pride moves as one, isolating the zebra before the final, dramatic rush. A testament to their strength and unity.
The alpha male asserts dominance over the hard-won prize. In the frozen taiga, every calorie counts for survival. The gray wolf endures the frigid temperatures of the north, its breath a stark reminder of the harsh winter landscape.
The hunt is over, and the pack rests.
The ghost of the mountains, perfectly adapted to the thin air and deep snow of the Himalayas.
As winter tightens its grip, the pack must keep moving, guided by instincts honed over centuries.
From this vantage point, the bald eagle surveys its domain. Its eyes, 8 times sharper than a human's, miss nothing below.
With a sudden shift, the golden eagle tenses its muscles, ready to launch into the wind.
With a wingspan of over 10 feet, the condor must use every ounce of strength to launch from the cliff edge.
Gliding smoothly over the vast eucalyptus forests, the magnificent wedge-tailed eagle is a symbol of the wild Australian high country.
As the sun sets, the eagle rides the thermals, a master.
The hunt begins. Spotting movement far below, the eagle flares its wings, dramatically slowing its trajectory for the final approach. The eagle begins its descent. Folding its wings, it transforms from soaring majesty into a focused project.
The hunt begins. Tucking its massive wings, the golden eagle enters the stoop, plummeting earthward at breathtaking velocity.
With a dramatic descent, the eagle extends its formidable talons, striking the shimmering surface in a spectacular burst of water.
With a massive wingspan and powerful, rhythmic beats, the wedge-tailed eagle begins dramatic ascent. With powerful beats of its wings, the eagle carries its heavy burden towards the nest, high above the valley floor.
Banking hard, the eagle extends its formidable talon, preparing to grip the rugged bark of the ancient pine.
The early morning light bathes the savannah as the matriarch leads her family in search of water.
Protected within the heart of the herd, the calf learns the ancient paths of the savannah.
The matriarch senses danger on the wind. The herd immediately responds, their survival instincts overriding the calm of the evening.
Bathed in the golden light, the bull delivers his warning. The massive ears unfurl, signaling his readiness to defend his territory.
When threatened, the herd instinctively forms a tight circle, horns facing outward, protecting the vulnerable young at the center.
The dominant bull makes his intentions clear. This imposing display is a direct confrontation with the approaching threat.
A dramatic display of raw power.
Swinging its trunk with incredible force, the elephant displaces the fine dust of the savannah, a dramatic display of strength.
The bull issues a clear warning. This is a mock charge, designed to intimidate, but the power behind it is very real.
In the fading light, the massive bull slowly relaxes, his breathing steadying.
After the initial scare, the herd instinctively tightens its formation. The golden hour light illuminates.
Under the watchful eye of the matriarch, the baby elephant indulges in a cooling dust bath, essential for protecting its sensitive skin.
Weighing over 6 tons, this magnificent bull seeks respite at the watering hole.
In the early morning mist of the bamboo forest, the giant panda moves slowly, pausing only to...
Relying on a keen sense of smell, the giant panda meticulously searches the dense undergrowth for the freshest shoots.
With jaws strong enough to crush bone, the panda easily snaps the fibrous stalk, extracting the vital nutrients within.
The giant panda's powerful jaws can easily crush the toughest bamboo stalks, consuming up to 40 pounds a day. Aided by a specialized wrist bone, the panda strips the tough bamboo, consuming up to 14 hours a day.
Weighing over 200 pounds, the panda must use caution as it slowly climbs the slippery moss-covered trunk.
Gripping the mossy bark, the panda must maintain perfect balance high above the forest floor.
Standing over 5 feet tall, the panda reveals its true size and power in the dense forest.
The panda asserts its dominance not with aggression, but with a subtle warning glance, urging the intruder to keep its distance.
Having found a suitable grove, the panda settles in for the first meal of the day, consuming the bamboo with practiced ease.
This relaxed posture allows the panda to efficiently process the fibrous bamboo, a cornerstone of its survival strategy.
Deep within the misty mountains, the giant panda thrives, utilizing its powerful jaws to strip the resilient bamboo stalks.
The giant panda, a symbol of conservation, spends its days in the misty bamboo forests, chewing calmly.
High in the misty mountains of Qinling, the giant panda finds solace in the dense bamboo, a peaceful moment in a dramatic wilderness.
Here in the misty forests, the giant panda spends its days in peaceful solitude, a true icon of the wilderness.